Updating your payment information on Etsy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website and log in using your email and password. Make sure you are accessing the account for which you want to update the payment information. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to navigate to your account management options. Step 3. Go to Payment Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the Payments tab. This section will display your current payment methods and options for updating them. Step 4. Update payment information. Select the payment method you wish to update. You can add a new credit card, debit card, or bank account details. Follow the prompts to enter your new information and ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new payment details are securely stored. Make sure to check your payment settings periodically to keep your information up to date. This will help ensure smooth transactions on Etsy.